Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I am SEBI certified research analyst. I am welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. And this video I am going to show you some simple trick about super trend. Okay. And before that, so those who are subscribed my channel, I was thankful to you all. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So we are reaching near about 1.5 subscribers. I am thanking you all to believing with me, and anyone who want to trade with me, so you can open an account with me. The account opening link are provided in a description about any of my video. You just follow my the link in my description, any of my video. You can go below the description, you can see the link which is for your account opening with me. We will provide you a lot of support for your intraday and positional trading, and also providing some intraday calls. And if you want to follow with me Telegram, so you can follow with this link, and you can follow with me Facebook, and this is my WhatsApp, and you can use to open an account with me, right? So we are using Zebu Trade to trade our the broker. Okay, so this video, the mainly I'm taking a study about the super trend indicator. The super trend indicator, it is a giving you buy sell signal automatically based on some values we are provided in this particular system. So whether I am using the super trend 3,7 parameter, someone use 3,10, someone use 10,3, whatever the parameter, but the parameter is for their time convenience and also their risk reward convenience. Okay, whenever you reduce your parameter, so your stop loss and target the stop loss line may changes. For example, I will change my input. So for example, if I go for the super trend 1 and the same 7 ATR period and leave RSI, so in this super trend indicator we have additionally added the RSI also. So when I show RSI, it will show the RSI line. So it is not necessary here right now, so I will leave it. So now I have changed my super trend parameter is 1. You see there will be a smaller in stop loss, and also you got a lot of trades. Okay, so the normal one, so which we are using 3. Now you see that the super trend lines it is little bit higher from your market prices. So the important thing, how we can do the trade based on super trend indicator. So normally the super trend, whenever market crosses above the super trend line, there should be a buy signal. When the market prices is come below the super trend line, it's normally a sell signal. Okay, here you see that the market is come down below the super trend line, so it should be considered as a sell signal, right? And again market went over the super trend line or went above the super trend line, so it's considered as a buy signal. So I'm not talking about the accuracy, I'm not talking about whether the signal is work or not, but how I can pick the right trade opportunity along the super trend direction. That is the trick which we are going to learn this video. Okay, so if I read the super trend lines, sometimes super trend lines picks up. Okay, sometimes the super trend stop loss line is fall down, sometimes the super trend line was very flat. This 3 scenario which I can use for my trading, and it will give me some good result on my intraday as well as positional trading. So that important point where we understand from this super trend line how I am going to trade based on that. So whenever super trend gives a sell signal, this is what a sell signal where the super trend generated, and if you check the stop loss is very flat, it means the stop loss is very flat. Whenever the stop loss given, that is the same level, this is what your entry point, and this should be your stop loss point. So we know whenever we want to trade this position, we have to give this much of risk for the trade, right? So if I ready to take this kind of risk, then only I am going to put a trade or I can execute the trade. If the risk is not suitable, then don't go for this trade. Okay. And again, here you got a buy signal. For this buy signal, you must place the stop loss here. That is why super trend says where you have to buy here. That is around 1440 is your buy entry, and this is what your stop loss is near about 1401. So this 30 rupees is the risk for your trade. Whether if the trade fails, you are going to lose somewhere around 30 points. If the trade works right, you are going to get the target whatever you want to fix, because the super trend will not give you the target. Some super trends we can fix the target also, but what is the trend? So we have to find the trend and we travel along with the trend. So that is important. So this is what the basic concept about, where it gives a buy and what is the stop loss, and where it gives a sell and what is your target. Now what is my trick here? So whenever the super trend gives buy signal, this candle which I got a buy, the first green candle I got a buy signal. So when immediately I'm not going to take a new position, so I'll wait. I'm tracking that super trend line. You see that when the super trend line, after the signal, it spikes up. Correct? The super trend, instead of flat, it spikes up. You see that the super trend, it spikes up. This may be a working signal where I am going to buy here. The same level only I got to buy the next candle which I got a buy signal, that is around 1145 with my stop loss of the same stop loss but little bit higher. So my stop loss should be 1420. So here my risk should be 25 point, but if I took the trade, my risk should be 35 point. That is what minus 35 point is my initial risk. But here, even though I have taken little bit higher than the market price, my stop loss should be lesser than comparatively this one. So this is not an important point. So when the spikes up, it gives you buy signal, and after that it went up to 1500. So here I got a 55 point is a up move after my entry, and I am taking a risk of 25 points. So it is around 1:2 risk reward ratio. Here I don't have the target for the stock. I didn't have the target, but the stock rallied. So when you do the trade, you can manage with a good risk reward ratio, and you will be getting some right trade opportunity. And here you see that when this candle I got a sell signal. Let's show you again. This particular candle I got a sell signal. So I'm not going to take initial trade. Approximately my trade should be 1001, almost 1430 is the price, and the stop loss is around, initial stop loss is 1490. So it is around 1430, almost 60 rupees is my stop loss. So that is what right. And after this trade signal generated, immediately the stop loss is spikes down. It means the price also started going down. So if I took the position at least this particular point, that is around 1430, the stop loss should be the same. So little bit lower, around 1475 or 880. Okay, but this is the stop loss which I made. But after the decrease in the super trend line, you see that the price is dropped by 1370, almost 60 points down from the particular area. So after the same signal which gives you very flat trend, so here from here onwards, still here, but still it wasn't selling mode. But the super trend line was very flat. Alright, super trend very flat, but even though market wasn't selling, I'll wait for a right trade opportunity whenever the super trend again drops or increases. Whenever it is in buy mode, if it is increases, there will be another buy opportunity. If it is down in sell mode, there will be sell opportunity. this particular candle, it's fall down here. So if you are taken entry 1410 and the stop loss for a 1440 around the stop loss, and the market it fall down 1390, almost 20 points down, but still we know the stop losses, and again right now the stop loss also reduced from 1440 to 1425. When again market is started falling, means the stop loss line will come down. When market is started reverse, the stop loss may trigger. Okay, so this is the basic one, but it's a more powerful one, and you can use higher time frame to find out the right direction. Previous signal, you see that when it gives a buy signal, immediately the line is spike out. So here you see that it is a buy signal where it generated, this is a stop loss, and spiked out in the super trend. So we may be buying here and putting stop loss here, and after that the nice rally, and you see that the super trend flatly increasing, and finally it changes a flat. Maybe stop loss it here when you take in a position this particular point around 1380, your stop loss got triggered 1420, but meanwhile it went up to 1450 highest price. Okay, previous signals also you can check with this trick, that will give you the better result. Here buy signal which spikes out, and after that rally, here it gives you sell signal, but here you got your stop loss trigger. So what I am suggesting you here, you see that after buy signal the super trend was very flat in nature, so we ignore the signal, and here we got a stop loss also. But what I am telling you to that, if you are following the system, you can avoid most of the trading failure signals, and also you can improve your accuracy, and your profitability should be also higher compared to normal trading buy and sell signal following directly following that super trend. You can use this filter that will give you the better result on your intraday and positional trading. So I will update you 16-minute chart. So here you see that very flat, and again it spikes out, so there will be a small buy signal and immediately spikes out. Here gives you sell signal and little bit down, so if you are taken here, stop loss is not triggered, after that it fell down. Here buy signal, it went up, and after stop loss it again, so we got a second trade opportunity here, and it works well. In this particular scenario, just a moment. In this particular scenario, you see that, so initial trade opportunity where we are taken here, and it triggers stop loss, and again we got a trade opportunity at this point, and it spikes out. Here maybe you got a stop loss, before that it went huge. Okay, so this is the method where we can use for our intraday trading also and positional trading too. So intraday having lot of time to take the position, and positional you can have to carry your position, but intraday you can focus for a intraday time frame, either 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but you got a lot of signals on 5-minute chart, so that is also you have to focus. And daily basis charts also you can use this system, it was working very well, and high volatile stocks as well as the good momentum stocks too. And a 5-minute chart, so not only this, and I will show you with the Nifty. From today's morning Nifty was very flat. This is a 5-minute chart. Whenever it gives a buy signal, this is a 5 minutes. Why I am not suggesting you to 5 minutes? So lot of signal, 1 2 3 4, lot of signals. But if you go for a 16-minute chart, you will have very few time frame, and this gives you buy sell signal, immediately stop loss triggers down. Here you got entry 11,530. After that it fell down 11,300, and again now the stop loss is very flat. Whenever the stop loss relaxes, we can try to trade. Here you see that there will be a good trade opportunity. Okay, here also be the good opportunity, and here you see that lot of trade opportunity here also. So using super trend, so we can easily find out the right trade opportunity and the top gainer stock, loser stocks, intraday basis. So you can, and today I find out some open interest basis. I find out the stock which is UPL, one of the stock. Just you see that it gives us the buy signal, and next candle itself it triggers. So if you are taken entry 517, it went up to 523, but on a 5-minute chart you see that. So it is already in buy, and today it opens here, and next candle itself the stop loss line spikes out. So if you are taking entry around 514, it went up to 526. And some other stock, Wipro, today which I did the trade on this stock, so which will give me a nice result. So this is the opening, and initially the stop loss was very flat, and this particular point the stop loss increases around 278 and it went up to 287, almost 9 rupees movement. So you can in 5-minute chart, this is stock selection is based on the different method, but here the method of the super trend is very same. Whenever the stop loss increases, we can try to trade. So here you see that when initially buy given, so next candle it increases up. So when we are taking an entry 281, now it is ending 283, but it is a big stop loss because we are doing the positional basis, and the risk is suitable to you, you can do. And I hope this video may be useful. And this is a trick, whenever the super trend line stop loss line decreases, that will add more selling, that will give you a clear selling trend. When the super trend increases in a buy mode, so there will be a good buy opportunity. So that's about this video, and if you like this video, like and share to your friends and comment on this video. And if you want to open a trading account with me, you can open a trading account and you can do with me, and we provide a lot of support of our intraday trades and positional trades. Thanks for being with me, and keep supporting me on my Telegram or my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.